In issuing his new ruling, Judge Christopher K. Barry Smith said he was concerned that pace of previous increase could undermine negotiation process and give school committee a potential incentive not to fully participate in talks. Fines will increase at a more moderate pace than the previous order, which was issued on Monday, with fines doubling each day the strike continues. The union has been fined $375,000 to date for violating state law prohibiting public employees from striking, according to court documents filed Friday. WOBURN, the striking Newton Teachers Association, will be fined an additional $50,000 a day starting Sunday if the union fails end an illegal work stoppage that forced schools to close for 6 days. According a Middlesex Superior Court ruling issued Friday. I am slowing down now, he said from bench at the hearing Friday afternoon, but added about strike, I hope it doesn't continue like this. The Newton strike was longest walkout by educators in the state since 1990s, when Massachusetts was last hit by a wave of illegal teacher strikes. Union leaders have repeatedly accused the school committee of failing to bargain in good faith, but the committee and Mayor Ruthanne Fuller have denied this. The talks are overseen by a state mediator who shuttles offers back and forth between the two sides. The consequences of carrying out an illegal strike can be severe. According to legal advice the Massachusetts Teachers Association offered to its members last year, unions could face the risk of imprisonment well as harsh fines, but described this punishment very rare. But the judge must balance sanctions against other evidence, such as whether school officials negotiated in good faith. The most dramatic actions against striking teachers took place in the 1970s. During 2-week strike Franklin 1977, about 80 teachers were jailed for refusing comply with a court order not to strike, and 4 top officials of the Burlington Educators Association were sentenced 7 days jail for violating law 1972. The court decided to stop the strike, which has been going on for 2 weeks. The Newton strike comes at a time when Massachusetts is experiencing a surge in work stoppages by teachers' unions, and the MTA is pushing Beacon Hill lawmakers to legalize the strikes. 6 teachers' unions have gone on since May 2022, and at least 2 unions voted to allow the strike but did not go on due to 11th-hour agreements. Newton teachers and the Newton School Committee have been in contract negotiations for more than a year. The union is seeking proposals that would provide a living wage to all employees, including classroom aides, guarantee social workers in every elementary and secondary school, and increasing paid family leave for early career teachers. The school committee argues that it cannot afford to fund all of unions' demands and says accepting the union's proposals would require laying off 60 employees within 1 year and another 60 following.